Hi, I'm Jasjeet Kaur, the Chief Executive Officer for Group-SEB India. Our flagship brand is Tefal, which is a global innovator of various products, and Group-SEB itself is the world reference in small domestic equipment. Tefal has been innovating for the last 70 years, and India being an important market for us, we've been very focused on bringing solutions which will address to the current consumer needs of premium kitchen and home solutions. We are innovators in cookware, the world #1 in fact. So some of the innovation that we brought to India as well. For example, you can see here this is the thermo signal, which turns bright red as you're cooking. So this indicates the ideal temperature for cooking, which means that you use less oil and your cooking comes out to be much better. There's a thermofusion base at the back, which ensures there's even heat distribution, again leading you to perfect cooking results. We also believe that today the Indian consumers are pressed for time. They're looking for solutions which will integrate smart technology, but also be very, very easy to use in the way that they would want. For example, in the morning as they're rushing to office. So we have products here which have, for example, here is the Juice and Clean, which is the only touch-based juice and juicer product. So you would have options if you are a health-obsessed individual. You would have options to have your pulp accordingly if you want it without pulp or with pulp. It does ice crushing. It can give you smoothies and even ice creams and slushies in no time. And all of this is powered by Powelix Blade technology, which is also integrated in another product that we have, which is from the global lineup called the Tefal Blend Up. With the younger generation really, taking on to the health bandwagon and hitting gyms right in the morning before they go to office or their colleges, this is an ideal product for them to be, churning out their protein shakes and plant-based milk and anything pretty much that they can imagine under the sun. And yet the product also has, for example, a silent feature. So in case you have a small baby at home, you would easily be able to use the product and not disturb the home environment. So whenever there is technology integrated in Tefal products, it is very thoughtful and it is done not by way of announcing that there is technology, but really something that will enable the Indian consumer's life. All of these products, while they are from our global lineup, are also tested for the Indian home conditions, the Indian food recipes. For instance, the mixer grinders or the juicer mixer grinders that we have under the Tefal range, they all go through more than 300 Indian recipe tests to perfect what an Indian consumer wants as the food output.